I used the I found this hashtag and scored a $25 gift certificate from the Salvation Army thrift store. So let's go see what I can get with it. Now, if you've been following me for a while, you know I love myself a good vintage or floofy poofy dress. So that's what we're looking at first. And look at this beautiful late 70s, early 80s trench dress. I think it's coming with me and it's only $11.99. And of course, I need a bag to go with the dress, and this one is also $11.99, and it is vintage and it is 100% eel skin. Amazing. Now I have about $1 left, so I'm just going to grab myself one of these little tiny bags for my kiddo and styling this. Look at how gorgeous this is. This trench dress is so perfect. It is a little bit tight on me, so I will be upsizing it in an upcoming tutorial. But if I just wanted to wear it like a trench coat, I absolutely could. And I mean, I think it styles up pretty darn awesome, and it looks perfect with the bag, and the pockets are absolutely fabulous. Speaking of the bag, let's take a closer look at it. It is buttery soft, and again, genuine eel skin. Has anyone even heard of this? It has loads of pockets too, and the straps are adjustable. I love it so much. And of course, the adorable little belt bag, which was brand new in the package and only 99 cents and perfect for my kiddo.
This is Confessions of a Refashionista.